So first we're gonna marinate the chicken. Add 1 egg. Cornstarch. Sugar. Salt. Soy sauce. Pepper. And some sesame oil. Mix all together. We're gonna marinate for 30 minutes. We are gonna fry the chicken. Dip the chicken in cornstarch and fry it. We're going to make the gravy now. Add some oil. Add dry chili. We used 4 dry chilies. Add garlic. We used 5 garlic cloves. Add soy sauce. Salt. Sugar. Ketchup. Mix all together. Add water. Some white vinegar. Lemon juice. And cornstarch mixed with water. Add the chicken. Turn off the fire. Garnish with some spring onion. Your chicken is ready. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.